Madre Mona Kwabaziba Oye Costa TV Yimbi Oye Kasa Jimezinu Ena Yevesi Nkonya na Mabri Ewutum Yezi Abro na Yevese de Nne Mizinu Yansha Center One Fanche and time no no technical issues not baby na wayema nti Yevese de One Fanche and ne Yansha Center na so da multi bia no America kana wa aka no ezbe yuma na yaso so mpa kwando na nyame aduma emrepam no will make amends and do the right thing for you to also enjoy until often change ne yumezunu ya shase late mezinzi oye dani abawana na ayaza msaka oye enuanu mebien wa ha enyimbri enyiwon ba abotwetwe nkomo oye mamunia oye honorable BIGMAN inyo LAMIDI ALHASSAN on the assembly member for AYIKOO TANTRI electoral area Sanso Ojinem Okasama oye political party or abenu oye NDC aban inyo nti demo onozi oye regular guest oye oboy ne papa paye nti BIGMAN de bia yes nyagopon onhira na post nze adonala ebeza chache da wankasa ese amen na eje ama obi ode so ya baba be campaign ese engine mpa ya ye mama ejina na ya so ya sanso ya to aba mama akodo ana asumya what the street lights bia wo hye no ahye woze fe nti ayiko akora tantu funyina no foda wasi there eresum won so pakondo na good old friend enyo oye Richard KOJO ARHINFUL issue so many years ni nanso nne jumezi kase jumezi ozene ebeshia wo oye platform yido enyo Richard KOJO ARHINFUL ono oye MPP Kepusno communication team member enyumbri enye nuanu mebieni na yebakan ho abu na nsama yezbo tubano ya ye ho pesem na se ekwan da ho na ochina yaba na yaba sodo fefefe na yaso o sompa kwando tibibe wo bia no echio ya da wase de abribia no was one kasa fizin was to her ma enyina yeboma oye Ghana titiri ugwaman puntu gotuma aba ya manim dan laban sam da muna odo yenyima ebotum ya ye hu pesem oye Ghana economy no oye aza ona wa bem was economy nze orokoye osisi wondan yema esi ano we take off nti no chede bibia recordo sodo one so our positions was in there more recording na oye cosmetics chede wakata nzamado no che nechi no nyama shadan ye nti wakata kata nyama nyodo na oye figures be to gano o chede on shada enye system no mfa o se sika nyi ho on system no we create system opportunity na to nti oye na la sikazi baba nti Ghana fo nya abotan ya wahwe na ebisa ya mo questions ya o se de ebisa nyina o se Ghana economy no ayi bia oye ordinary Ghanaians no ankonko timemufo worinya atenka bi da economy no koye ana aso de oye kasa keke oye cosmetics enyum na ye wora kacha ende nyama ayeyi aza ebisa nsama o se fatare wora ebisa no na mpenyifo wa benim aboma ya no ye na yebohwe oye Emmanuel ARMAH-KOFI BUAH ono oye minister ohwe yen environment do na osi oye azakura ohon oban GALAMSEY ekwa wakutia GALAMSEY na azakura ohon pa ye prosecution today wachi obi na osira akagina wabonu kwedu na nipa kono mbra no nyina ezinu oye ekon oye zana papa wachi nipa bebre na nsoso prosecutions no omboa abazintina Muhammad Masin okodo wachi obi a dentina wontum won fanyi pakono fanko court ana wontwe na so won fan benin fantwe na so anye bia politics na owo ntina woja ya monkofo no ana so de human face ofi de eyi oye mobo nti ya chi na yenjan na amafo so kodo na won say environment no ana se sia yin na be ya kodo ya ko aban na otu wazembra na ye djuma na ya ko etie GALAMSEY osana ya ka GALAMSEY ni effect na ya za odoso pale ye na ekwa asibita Ghana ha ipe bebre na won yere ba wozo ko hono o chere effect na kasnala ofi oye galamsey ya orekodi usu ya wa say ni nti wonnom a with time no bonde yaraba bebre na start to titu kidney failures no onyi lung problems no onyi yaraba bebre yaza yenso ebohwe na ebisa minister asama okay so bodan kan William says nde yambompai ma oye wona wokutia galamsey no sande forces bi te chira oye okutia galamsey o ma aban ne kworo kono ontum nzin kunyim o galamsey no do nje wo hwe na hwe galamsey kun anya bia oye mpaebo anade ohia action na ebisa na nansa na MPP for oye one regional elections also I wanna obiale ku smoothness level tama menyankube a waka no brofon nti wona obo win won so a wezin kugu no won so we hu de ochina bi so we wonya meyi a wotum wa abako na wezin kunyim so ye bohwe na ya ka ho asam na wona we win no ye montiri kwa na won so a wezin kugu no so next time what's better luck next time nti next time won pa ba wokoda na wonkokon na won so wontum wonzi nkunyi nti enyi nsam kakra ogoponda emra kakra wa kai wotum ya fara ya dwendwene ko na ya che na adwe na so china yam ya adoma na ya ba na ya bosolo briefly Joseph one regional elections central region ko so upon Kobi Richard when one person okay no yam there so upon okay man person Kobi and entuma anko
unfortunately na ye mo fi
entum anko oh okay but when say okay so bibia oya kama as expected
sure
nti ebia another time we will create another platform there discuss
sure.
But notable ones near honorable Okoboy on the way we Greater Accra na oye Kuka and your Ashanti region so we win and the dam 2 a year na nkofo abronya so no so we win also win or celebrate obi ampo nkasa no ho chere aboye ni kunyimza we zin po oyaza even po fi de oyema part nti na e de mu ashada wan kasa na waso na wato aba was man
so nti no onya majority pa
across the okay in terms of percentages no sure. But if you know some numbers no sir just a little over 300
it's not about numbers it's about percentages
yeah. Oh okay nti in a minute or two no aba some never work for oye regional elections na wo ye no esi a wo bo for the national elections
dan me da si na minchi oye tefa wo hene oye kustati elemri na yanda MPP amanyeko a yame yad mo de tumisha wonsa no ko yipan for da wanda oye enam pan for abada oye regional executives no honanyim na zaman ko ye no honestly speaking one of the finest very comfortable without chaos since I
western region for chaos by you
say you can't one of the finest and as I say MPP said you were almost 16 regions. Let's say you took me to about across 13 regions. Next to come back, I say almost 99%.
Okay,
we are through. Some people,
and then I'll be skirmishes will be
simple as that. In painful now, we want the more than him, and aside that, oh yeah, the very delegate also we want the more than him to a peaceful election. And oh yeah, easy in painful or convey all the various. Let's put them go here. No, yeah, no one I say. But Central region especially, Hana Tumano because actually I get almost 19. They lose him about 3 or 4. Bibi them na yenya oye adema do na for Mr. Esibu na wetumwe benya oye majority was supporting Eshe Ada in power about say MPP in Central region has gained its ground. That is the more
you rise again.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
That's an echo oye bono especially where abronya numpin food na tem not the matter them na say bono for your genetum was out to mission and sa no the majority votes. It tells you that yes, MPP has risen.
Okay.
MPP is going forward. MPP wish to come back to the states and then yes, you more this to see okodia a chedo ya bafone for you. Na nothing at all. Oye asanteman kuka. Wasa so yetum na wasa waje tumnes na no.
Wa ba shechama untumi na ni.
Yes. Esha in the absence of a chama won't then you'll be a vocal, no grounds, okay, the form no by Shandama. But I never feel there with experience of Chama Kufu. Initially, no be after full ground, but I don't last one very reasonable. Yet one bantam, what is on Adam Bantam, but by your affiliations in the Wankasa Unkitan with the okay. But if you have it all, no matter how late you come, people will fall for you. But you want the cooker or from what Santaman when I say, upon Ashanti region as a stronghold, a spring constituency region, and everything now. There in painful to cook or mini at ease. Yep, in painful to Aba. There's a more regional executive on Abado. Na communicaba from where incoming president 2028. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. What do we be rasi? Sarah said, when you know, Kasla, no, don't you know? Say, you manasi. I'm a temper because I'm a lesson man, but to take manasi. My appointment. Oh, no, that be experience of BIGMAN. I'm a BIGMAN on you next time. But better my appointment, not be also say go so to Nasi. I put Nasdam for him, but as a politician, as a party for defeat. Nah, victory. Yes, victory. I like that. Embrace it. The person defeatable, or they embrace. Okay. This since Ghana Besiho, you get democracy. MPP, this is the very season we are demonstrate democratic means. Yakutua ba, Madam American maturity. Ayijuma, I mean our momentum was very see. And more people will receive wait more hagning on winning, not say party first, not individual. So then you can't get what my case. Okay, Western region, Ignatius Kwesi Afrifa, no winning. Chairmanship no kutina is it, but otherwise no with time no is in about to Savannah region ye Alhaji Idrisu Sulemana Bono region ye Kwame Bafo Abronye DC Greater Accra Dr. Bernard Okoboy Ashanti region Odenoho Kweku Apia Oyekoka na Eastern region ye Jeff Konedu Ado Central region Joseph Kobna Esibu Nyawawo chairman Western North okay only pending results on issues were haunting on results number na I have region here Robert Safo Mensa Northern region Mohammed Batuma Adam Samba on the Obiang of the Samba Northeast region Alhaji Mohammed Husseini Upper East Elvis Figo Awoni Kai Awoni Kai okay is in the moon though in your Kai have it Masun Kofa na ewo Upper West region Abdul Aziz Abdul Rahman on Owini voter region ye Makafu Kofi Wonya in your Oti region Dr. Frank Irenchi Bono East region Ibrahim Okari Baba in your nti damna oti nti briefly mamunko BIGMAN so easy we are say Zufi Assam but so far as they are your main contenders you should have concern about one elections whether Ebian Kofuna or elect one who you want obotum wa bom wa kon waje tum efiri won sem ana so the damunko ku easy you have phone most more boy na so smart so koko chip and you have phone koko chip
medasi na nature me na try na nature assembly efficient Kwesi climate na no na obey na street lighting okay madonna assembly na TANTRI station chairman engineer na AYIKOO na children as party na our government was in strong opposition so that we keep on toast na to aye mo osafata zamana but say in your opposition or stronger ebon then zama on bompa our enters because what's it import and in the nature but after election and people executives here we are all them akode una sansa as akode business the same defeat now because after central region Metiti names are all contest central region. I was like, hey, MPP power say
it's a big fish.
Yeah, no. Oh, you know what we are talking about the region. The party now. Yeah. Because first most especially Cape Coast Simple, for instance. So what kind of MPP for? It's the likes of Mr. Ugo, no in big time people. What Bob Brockway, Mr. Suma, but a friend there, what MPP, they get hey, was it uncle?
Lightweight.
You're fun, Dama. Yes, maybe there 2028. Why you want Bamina? You have 62%. Because 2028 election now, or 62% straight win.
When you see there, you probably in the piano. Beat
I'm a intention but I said, I folk at the umbrella. I know, sir, referendum because you pay China, you be back and say, Ghana for now, Ghana for now, one referendum, the umbrella. I know young party we have no say, but as I'm speaking to you now, young party, yeah, in baby, because the number also. Now, so us in there on how long to serve, but how well to serve. Nebbialo saying there within 2 years, you'll be into my wire. Or be take me 50 years and son will do one. Because I always said there, say you go school, yet in a classroom near Sianza, a bian wasn't born. Woman work, I be to 10 over 10. If you say, I mean, what's me now? If you should be OTB. It's a other human beings with varies. A beer or some most another. As I been to me here with a day, no, it be with a minute. No way to wire. And see, that is the way I send here. But as for the MPP, yes, the most fitty Eastern region out, Western region. Executives are way one falla. Because it's one thing about MPP, still they don't understand that lies and propaganda has no stand in Ghana politics again. But still one person. Because now, because of social media, the youth, most are what say I follow social media. You may think there, but I follow social media one day, yes. The other than answer, remember, what was why a demonstration was democracy is under attack. You know, action and domzio your democracy is under attack. It's election and you be a couple more, not so all you need best players in the within 10 minutes. Monsro cry. And then top approach to down. Down
top bottom approach.
Because it's a branch. You have a constituency, you have a region, you have a national, and son you have a flank bearer. Or your chain. Into whoever emerge Bella, we know that we are true. As for Bamia, another cheap meat, I'm telling you. Because Bamia, no Ghanaian will take Bamia serious in terms of economics. And once the MPP, they should rest assured there by the next 50 to 45 years. That's a Ghana for feed there. A Yassis, a man named Westie. One person, Ghana for the bomb, no way, because one trademark.
Yes,
I want trademark.
Okay. And see, a man of a as a big man, Ricky. Richard say, oh, yeah, it's a wabo. They've laid the foundation. Mark nationals, no one carbon, no way CP. No, they are ready for power in 2028. No, but we in power. I use them, and now they feel there. MPP still have a lot of work to do. Big mass in there. Oh, what your ocean confer what Obama when you're AYIKOO cry. Oyaza and this over break cry. And see, what nationals now, the work is saying, now, 2028 bar, no, and this one break cry. And actually, based on the human social warriors, it is clear. 2028, the possibility of NDC winning is very high. That is per big man. Nasama Oreka. Intini nano or emret na obechere. Inti what's the scenario yes na ebo chale owo. Na big man we mamisha see if you do. Economy is the ordinary man feeling the impacts of the touted economic achievement
Don't use the word touted. Don't use that word.
Oh no.
I use touted. It means that you are also doubting.
No. I'm not doubting.
Yeah.
No. What tout one who there? Yeah. This is the greatest achievement. Yeah. Aban we nya because na economy no what tap and some cry na GM supported by Honorable Atuforsen. We see so the government has touted itself of this achievement, but people from the other side also say there it's only a matter of time, then it will be exposed because the economy now is fragile, controlled by external forces. Into once external forces are hit, it will also hit us bad. A bit there fuel. So international market or price hitting us or higher, it will affect us. Gold prices it will affect us. Looking at these variables, I say stable currency, economy in Kasa widely or stable. Need a minute it will be said there is the ordinary man feeling the impact of the economic achievement so far. Another or cosmetics. Na
what is economics? That is the basic question. Definition of by 10. It is a science that deals with human behavior. Economy be also or factors are ozi because one, a with GDP, no capital expenditure, no growth, and sana. As in Zamegwa economy. Eshe abra yeba poya na economy wa titwa pansam kra. But debia ya kasa economy is it impact or impact Ghana for eco marketer ngona wo market wo baka cho the economy ampa oriye reba sent ko ya academy the last 3 years or 4 years ago. Say quarters wa marketer etumeji na market within 3-5 minutes na what's about the price na asasa to the current price. By this time around that hasn't in bio because there is a currency stability, economy wise stable. But the bia economy na pere in zama ya tonkwati. When we are talking about economics, so the basic things here, your means and your wants. As a pe na as a botum ezenya into say kiteska me find them 100 cedis value for money 100 cedis abazin and botum water amam in the last 3-4 years ago 100 cedis so na abazin otum autumn zemo only the basis of economics into yenze in there Ghana of India so abaka no ko be in there economy why is stable in zemo gugu economy but they be kaso so ayesi Mama na Atuforsen. Na ewe free there. Ye will be our Cape Coast South MP. Honorable Kweku Rekitegi. Ano no generate ska. Ozma Atuforsen, ma Atuforsen or spend. Sent in there. GRA board chairman Ani Kweku Rekitegi. GRA say when you generate revenue yes around this country. The reason so President Mama Ozi Kweku Zinika GRA boss in there. 2016 before you lose the election, President John Mahama there, you may acquire IMF. We can put in place certain things, Obama and man Yenska generate to a man Western doors they push economy. Board chairman. And do you know his work? Every company there for the last 6-7 years no want your tax in and now they are paying tax. That is the reason why a man on your sika.
But want to meet one target.
Want to meet one target, but actually it's about 80%.
Yeah.
Their projection. So it tells you clearly that somebody is there doing the man's job for the economy to pick. Atasa.
Yeah.
It's in the America check of in the economy behind because under the answer more quarter task. More the price is relatively reduced. Atasa. And now metal because honorable. Ocheda azi wabo from kakromiso damza quantity or send a ton in a quarter 20 boxes each year to 24 boxes. This is economy. This is what Ghanaians are looking for. It's maybe culture Ghana for in there, but in young Ghana for Nalanka say you shouldn't be here on your field. Them now a soldier for Bob yes, Rollins or a Rickeden. What's Rollins? I'm Waburian. On your Rollins, no more soldier for Burian. In your Kasayan attitude. Look, tell my maze. Oko 1,500, 1,800. Most are what about upon 5 cities. In the maze, you see, it's around 700, 800. Still, most are what banana woman. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
It's in your name to me, Mufunde, and I do that. Yampeda, Yabwa, and Manu Koye. As a force of Wakacha there, a pede esha amount for do. A bill right or send or Nazi. Every right goes with responsibility. First, no course, no 50 pesos.
Okay.
Since I was out for 1 city, beans no, 1,800, 2,000. Since beans in 1,002, 1,001. The same thing now, and you ask yourself one question: in a soldier for Nantas and what discipline we can prepare? What's it? A soldier for bringing. Why are we doing this to ourselves? About it in a area done. In your case, you do there as a bon wabo form. In your okay, you to me and told a bonoda. Yan Kasaka crack. Now I'm off from there ampa and society then waba. But my area. In your catch a gun of 1 million, you're careful. In the Dama
say, Yama be a can charge na relatively price no alcohol. But there are certain items also price no so alcohol.
Other item na price no alcohol.
Oh, even transportation for instance.
Transportation.
Comprehensive.
Remember, a transportation or both. No, was on so. No, what also in both was on so.
No, one both from Biomo.
Okay.
If you must go we say without the permission from government and other stakeholders, we increase ammonia oil, ejitum, there be water todo, and you need water todo. But there are some basic foodstuffs are water todo. But even say the chance of market inside this year, a more cap or water was some more one a water cap no back catch or there price no watum. Do sack no water do. As a medical no wash one. It has been that all.
It's in us in the economy. It's a science that deals with human behavior, which you cannot predict. So as for this thing, we cannot predict. But you no wash that all year. I'm a member kind of one thing that is the reason why sometimes young people for me the overseas Ghana scan. And then scan also no and pa. I'm telling you, Ghana brain na that scan is now. Because the party office. Yeah. What MPP for Bambenma, what a party office. In Tazo Sender, what you know, no feed the end of a benefit, but a china. I know Ben or Beno or form. Shende 10 pesos, Wenzi 20 pesos, or the form of farm. First, also 10 pesos, and 1,000 cities. So 1,000 cities is a huge money. 2,000 cities, and in the 20 pesos. Or the form of Africa, this is as I could force ATM money. In Tazaya cotton and some fund 12 cities. Since I was cotton 15 cities straight.
No man, Sanchez can be me.
A scan your buses, or send you go back to drawing board. Because in their first in a shilling the easy.
A corner bobo.
Yes, in a shilling, no about pounds, yeba city. No about city was it new currency. The value is a shame. And what the time was so value now a shame.
The value is the same.
The value is a shame. What time? What time? No. What time? In the 1,000 cities or Tabazi. 2,000 cities or Tabazi. It's a shame for the country. So the value is a shame. Then you know what's the same. By now, the money cannot stand the test of time. It's a shame. It's a damage can I try to so never be one man. It's about to task Ghana for Obi Biala ye business Biala. And him there as in what so do. But also there Kakaza cushion Ghana for the year. na president mama on na beni ma afebo maybe he has good heart na our akoma papa he can condone certain things you be president bia he will never take these things and then abaka there Ghana president ni team as any team na you know awu as area na as sabe as area no on bona awu ye na bialan kasa ho ibi baba bakasa ho enti na mpemfu si esuma eya wosumo eden wo inyaso medase
yo Richard ma yenhwe economy ya ye ka ho asan de say nyama improve what to nyama do nyama stabilize na azno but I want add wo huni de bibidam orokoduma why emfaso ama. Do you think that are you sharing the opinions or the feelings of the ordinary Ghanaians as a political party? Another ones will feel there as not them or orokodu but what pretend there or your cosmetics?
Especially elected chairman, outgoing chairman Mr. Pesi, no organizer, no back tea, but going to one far and the matter to
Pesi or call for Abazi?
No, organizer, no acting. First, no, first vice, no back to a chairman. In the absence of quitting.
Okay.
The acting or then you call from 19 to 3 or 4.
And it will be T Pesi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He has mandate all the MPP back to our tracker. Now he dominated our central region. Now Momboy chairman Ahin. The Nafan Ribi. Or Kipus North. Which must not be more. MPP AYIKOO was not. Danny, I mean how I had to knock a posacher. Now, when it comes to economics, you in Zifo, not being for Nakasafa, what's the economics at the party? I hear Yakunya Itina. 7 8 to Futugu of Wima, but can it be uncommonizing by Entasi?
Okay.
It be some common and some bay 3 or 4 amuni or your number mambo. Make us a new from now, wooden with you. I'm telling you, because one bad or Bakasa Magana for Bakasa on the party. Some of my party, I'm not made the gun of him by business command a gun of wood here.
Okay.
Because I'm paying for worship in Italy. No worship, I mean, now we or Pagano come much in the party. Albacan was a gun partisan. I mean, me a queen as I speak. Modo abe modo kuku meshabanchi mudue bro modo sound to munade baby amotan mazepa ye jokwa market nti say ba jokwa market na so ordinary Ghanaian no ye farmer e ko ne ke business dem economics asema hwe ya odibia sabe odobo wotrim because o man not no ana mo ampanyin no yin nzini ye ye kan the since economics abe just economist another cosmetic ya ka cosmetics why enzama isi ye hu
ye paint hu
yes ekwa ebia na no wa draw hu de bia bo hu na akoto ebia mpo mo mponya no obo hu nto ye paint mamunto but zamina obeja atuma bebe days no komo akwa chiri pa but one ka the reality on ground dani omo mpanyima ita asede Ghana economics apansam asai nto obene with budget na adman zama akoyi mo potem bi sede embro ben na putu no da hin sisi aso da hin embro ben na kala kutia fitijukwa aba Cape Coast no ya hin sisi aso da hin ami na motum kokoa menya 3600 what baka no ya 3100 and something no what baka mo ya 3600 plus o ma pay na nkaso opede economy so kunim no asaso we be efido as I speak make it over almost 5 acres of cocoa major do because in for some ba or the mass mo kotedu or the first player then times MP AYIKOO or frank or for pollination okasisa and the mama and what you putting na din na me I'm speaking from what experience because me typical farmer you put am me mutuma masters be na hwai
okay
and I make say ochina se kwa market bancha enka de besuwa abobo ya na to ye 50 million and there's boy 7 million abobo ya hye branch me wage no then times by 50 million te kwan no oto onwo be ya bi not that do
nti no on one hand no wa affect awo but what benefit obi so
wa affect kwafu yi nare wo Ghana
but what benefit the consumer too
awuna wa affect una da wa ko ye nkofo na wo fi de ebia ne kwan or just an ordinary member nti onye adwuma bi aye and then why wona be say oye kwan obaka chom ye kwan go to the ordinary farmer be say na ebe adwuma so me adwuma bia because o san de adwuma na oye mfaso yu but I would tell be say ebe adwuma baka na ye presenter because if you dey for so hu nti komna when it comes to economics very very astronomical, very large. It transcends from here to there. When you have very smith, something small, okay, impa. Doctor Yan, or you, Ewa, Nebia Niska, no, Osa, no Yemen, and the Atu Fuelim. Fuene Tumunu, Ono, ne, Alawabina, no Mayo.
No, but I can't fuel what to fuel, ma. Fine, it's true, therefore, no work also. But you're also looking at the margin.
Yes,
because fuel obey less than 10 cedis.
Dynamic win.
Obey
so what to do once in pa. So what to do? By effect, no can on go. Obi all for car. Maybe see you or ye interpreting junction before I will be 20 Ghana cedis.
Dama.
Yes.
No, actually, you hand.
I'm telling you, honestly, me to me down, me yourself. Moko Anglican, obi ahim.
The reverend means to suffer, so reverend.
Nti he put no 20 Ghana cedis. So we small. So why should be a why?
We so.
Why should the distance and so travel?
If you pay junction impon as a hamper 10 cedis.
Because we won't bunch of on charge 5 cedis. But why 20? Why? Because we feed there and then be a koda. I'm naive. And so where the economics? Who is speaking the truth? Indeed, the fact that will be a Jamano may share there in the Maye, but Macan or Mampain or Bob Reggae Sabio until the Impana from Happy and why you take Ghana cities. I have only to blame on Mampain because on no take charge of so few pages as a Baha on Imports and baby our Erican on your hotel 5 cities. What did it 10 cities? What did it 10 cities? One of the on our Habanum to our president. You're big man as an American. Yeah, big man as an American. Oh, big man. Why then just is a lot of Fiaco David Nipana America there of free pay junction. What did it 10 cities? No. Oyen nasamo oyen yanko David oyen nasamo another time be impa no I say late kakra ntina if there efa boboya pragia na we reduce a time na kakra amount na intervention junction by higher or you say this series them ungrateful pragia no nyino ono na ever we so but didn't even blame the mazno on the government they abandon we regularizing na say unimpose na say people abro na praga oyejuma right but some so na some aba na order nke boko no yini na ke no wa me maza mo jo onye correlation bia onye correlation the issue in there issues no na issues no I think that you were hitting the maybe as a either you are putting some blame on government. I said you are blaming somebody who is not at fault, which I will not agree with you. Danny, because I mean now we are aware what we are going through. No, okay, I will make your point. The issue is that Ghana, as we are speaking, Danny, Kotokroba market, Kotazi, Abra market, Kotazi, Kwajokwa Komankesim. The prices are different. Yeah, it is not the same. Why? Because the transportation alone. What's the Ghana operate free market economy? It can never be true. Why? But I also agree with one worker. The government can still regulate Yaman. Previously, because Abano or two fuel, but to transport him. Because on the level now, all the way to transport him. Because your percentage is all what it takes to tell the drivers union they want to. Or what?
oba affect memofo
as a farmer
transport face
Danny as a farmer I'm affected as I speak I'm deeply affected
I know I know I also know that
more jokwa baby I made more for jokwa yemi to free Malo Denture district Jokwa no for moto 10 cities you drew a mother boss no motor 40 Ghana cities but the book was able to 40 but 1 year 40 Ghana obi am from BIGMAN obayam ba so abena madeba as I speak and yet and wono aside me to from the price has reduced how affect our farmers into the brain behind the economy of this country is the agriculture whereas the chieftaincy of agriculture no or your farmers and was na ye de chono into
but I also think that price now will reduce now we feed the farmers no feed the affect one no and as on another tangent we'll say where harvest but when tough no I also agree on that aspect but we must also accept the fact that what so do has also benefited the consumer because time when so ever credit no 15,000 I bet more in less or 50 a bro and I'm more in less in the bag 15,000
on the banchi
this is what 7,000 700 that time so no na nipa so no ska about wontum nto
say
no upon all that mobo you see no big man you see we need to be careful certain things so let's be practical here. Banchi now recano, but what so do times 2, which is good to me. It is very good
to you.
Yes, meba on farmers say on one their price not to do, but young consumers no. But the problem is that let me use my family for instance. Previously, you took me to Banchi 5 cities, was 5 cities. And sometimes off season was off season you to bunch was 10 cities banji 5 cities but na to banji na sometimes even 10 cities I'm telling you on so who is the cause because government has done everything to ensure that price no akofo to benefit the ordinary consumer but obi say baby ofi there afibiala bibiala simple or trazim nti banji no so rosie nkoko 5 cities obey 3-5 cities cheddar on will reduce banchi no or cheddar honor will benefit extra this
is a catch and I minority I Ghana for or just a cosmetic banana I have a good friend in Accra I catch a motor brother better 10 cities
now it's not true but on check office no yet to bank was a quote off season even keep be 10 cities and na yes Kasa
by 3 yes to come that for come or come
okay
no ways why because the price of brother there is very high.
Ono chere ono has to do with the market woman.
Yes,
ono it is not government. But also mama big man. No big man one me business some business na bodo. Okay, I will not face it. Abazina abane beye. Abazina menya ofrefu bi ana okay. Abazina abane beye. Madam Azdi no do e twa. Because people are capitalizing on the system. No, I remember we into our face we na remember big man.
Danny, mayeka de Ghana, mayeka ina de. Yemu de abano, we sit down, we paint to batter down munzamazi ombe. Nti then times and no on my pain that do be with cause or ye me do dressing. It says then na enye moshi na paint now the wonka de ma oka da hin. Over the bones. And okada hin or just a mere window dress prices of goods still will feed all yellow
high
still the farmers are suffering
it be a high
me you can say a careful quite long could be the labeler and the 1 acre or your 600 Ghana cedis
okay once what
since then first number of farmers is what 600 if individual 1.5 150 cedis but still we are not gaining. Nti sisi abe ne bo akofo mango ne bo akofo banchi ne akofo brother akofo na chisa akofo panyin a na ka holko even say yes kempo na koto duru 440 Ghana cedis ba yi poko bo spray no on bo won be 150 cedis and so who is at fault?
Who do we blame?
We are blaming the central government because on our initial policy. No kofum.
I agree with you. Okay. Hello. Hello, Minia.
Yeah.
Good evening.
What do you mean?
Meto on kapa Baudina, may who baby our frefi. Okay. Okay. Great. NTO. Okay. Yeah.
That's what I said. Yeah. So, yes, sir. And that's what I mean. Not the net. I'm not fine. I'm not down. That's it. This is how it is. This is how it is because I know that this is how it is now. This is how it is now. After we this get already, it's not to it is not only the net. Now what we say we are fine. If we are doing like talking now, you will go.
Okay. 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 Yo. Yo, Minia, that's so about I mean, sure. Yo,
define economics. No, some will say it's a science.
No question in there. Who do we blame? Because as someone work very practical. Yeah, very practical.
That is the reason why I'm working there. Since I am President Mama, or
me 1 minute. 050-820-6846. About my friend. Now I saw as watching as about BUAH Jumezino. 050-8206-846. On your number about my friend. Now as watching as I.
And with that, more all can mean Jinzi. The reason being that also for Pragia fitting Tibetan Junction is about 20 cities. A catch up or a Africa worker.
Yeah,
it's never true.
I also would disagree. Ebiana, if you don't own him, no, but
a Pragia, a certain a short distance, a 250 pesos. It's a certain by 10 cities. It's normally Elqua Moko Assembly, Yaka Pragia, yes, I chose to do quite 10 cities. Yes, and I'll 10 cities. Yeah. So I wonder, I know what 20 cities.
I was also surprised. Ebia, but my conclusion is there. It may not be a lie because Ebia Onyimha.
Maybe Osman Wanjensa.
This is my first time
coming here.
Yes.
Okay, the truth is that drivers be brave. In a padia boys no. One brother buying.
Okay, sister, actual one jedam. Two.
Even baby I can impose less than 10 cities. Because pay in the market there. Obi Fadu pay the junction. Nipa kono so simple, ono simple na only have an why late. No pay the junction no. Ozabaha 10 cities. A home pono once intermittent junction. Intermittent junction Ozabaha has a stone throw. Until next time we bring you or watch 5 cities and 8 cities. Mananta.
Okada abobo ya banchi. No, 1,005.
Yeah.
6 or 700. the MS there, why truthful to Ghanaians, them 1,005 by 600. But us see what on so in Zama was he a Kwejuman? No boyazin. He talk about we decide or use a powerful which is also true. So in this case, once I listen government, we have to channel to the government.
Yeah.
Well, as an a supply fertilizer, a supply seed, a damanina, and Minister of Agric. You see,
the Minister of Agriculture pays because after the minimum farmers free a finance minister.
Mama Kasa mention. As if Biala ya budget for Biala, the government, the finance minister is paying. At Mama Chanasa. It is a no. Your scale of preference, right? Your scale of preference. They were unforeseen circumstance or
contingencies.
And plan
contingencies.
It is a money a budget. The Minister of Agric. Afi yabomo 1 cedi. Na say mo 1 cedi na so ya. Yeah, review of budget. Okay. So you bring it, na ye review, na the yazamo. Because Agric or ye sector biala, echo elsewhere now, echo Saudi Arabia, almost Saudi or your stones. When Diazo by food is cheap. About it and what done do poet, a Diazo obey, ne is bannable by maybe the few Portugal, by many nam castle, your tall watermelon nazi, I mean, within 40 cities. Odu Portugal or your shop or your shopping fruits are Wakoto for a week. It's less than 20 cities for a week. So it means that in Zambia or Sunday you boy a quaffo, they more you queer me. Yetum you one, no Shamikana. Baza Kwan says I mean the all Ghana man there. And Benton and Katesia Yaban, Yan pay Juma Zen. Na ya bene escape there for quick money. My brother ko ya farm. I know boys who farm wo do wana kukro as why yesika. They leave the farm work no work because we try bet. It's this are some things that as government send ya channel to ya boa. Na you see ya mo farm man Kasa. They know on ya quick to get money to get the money. And you'll be rich. Because I'm there, me an opportunity, I'll go into farming. Yeah. Because me there as my leisure time and motu my amazabomo. And now yazi be also na service just say about pen why then. Why yamo? E ma can 18 now suppose. You see about channel no. Because we need to help ourselves at ourselves. Yeah. Because say wa bravo osu e painful see say ba ko food desire. You come in as well as you are feeding us, or sending your whole life or make it better
in your osmo
for you. So that was all depend on the family. Because the farmers must feed us. Yeah, sister, Banchia what to do. Some are catch the what to task to do, what to cement to do. So the money now, Uncano. As what today, since taxes so say I am kakra. Taxes soon I to me a Jumazi Kakao Manum Atasa. It's a man or Sunday night as Obi Asanaba. Yes, shaman. Yes, shaman. It's young one, Manu. I mean, they I believe in there. Yena Yaboko Baba. Something small on your table, something small in your pocket, no stress them, no school, me your school fees, no bury them. No. All of us. And as a man there, as a man who Ghana system there, or your reward, no your problems, man. Yeah. Because my brother, Oko market, no wife called market, the same market and no wife call, the same market, no wife call. I want you 200 million. I made you 10 million. I'm not the 5 million now. Are we fair? So these are the things. These are the things. Also, yet know as a country, they know rewarding system. No, we are going to the same market, purchasing the same goods and service for our family. So why is it that you are about 1,000% ahead of me?
Okay.
I'm 1000% ahead of him. Why the man offers from dream ba?
Yeah.
Into this are some things so Sunday yet no as a man. Next start today you John who. Na ya hwe how best e be me to nya aboa because your food is banazi okufuma na ahoto wa eden wa ba ma ban said oh yeah and we set up farmer centers was the planners was both farmers this year is car the worker machines one from boy the man ya aboa say let's help the system and let the system grow and let's move this country
see,
forward.
my problem is that some people are benefiting unduly.
Those people who send their face
I didn't even know that cassava banchi the what to drastically down. What perform them? Even with that what to on the other hand, when I'm kaya my farmers and so input no. Farm input no. What perform? I'm saying that the mobile. Banchina produce na what so all can affecting, but consumers no so it's not even a consumer market women no thousand are very cheap and they rather come and increase it. Some American a family of 4 5 sometimes 4 sometimes 5 depend on maybe school for no or what another when you want. Banchi 10 cities should be okay for us. But sometimes you have to even buy more than that. And say banchi, even those things that banchi 1,500.
All the babies are banchi. Oh, no, so when it's
season, your off season, say by this season, and
no, I add next month the work season.
Economically, agriculture input and output. Now you're paying your consumption. Now how agriculture and other farmers will support more. Are you very practical? It's not about position.
Yeah.
I mean, Sershama, Modopa.
Oh, man,
and as I speak,
yeah.
Say, can you be no Russian on Yedes or Shakales? No, typical farmer, no, or contributor. In this government, excuse me, say, obey unpopular. I'm telling you,
especially with regards to farmers.
My brother, Wakasapa, because as we speak, farmers, especially, we're into a banchi, brose. Foodstuffs, no? Simple. They are so. Even
when our commercial crop farmers, they also have a challenge.
To the extent that answer the benya banchi abuboya. In the kind of since America is more by 1 acre muntu. No go for mundo humpo because the price is low. And I will not go for it. My mom wife for the banchi.
Me uncle Abakampa on person up also banchi to cause the bram. No must no dabi onya buta. Because we complain us there like the same market.
Then the market
but me banche your bossy, but my business by a full week. But ever keep was the the banche.
No, test this.
So it tells you that the transportation is taking it all. That is where the
there's another problem with the transportation. That one
and the distance. I mean, you need to get that transportation. Someone said you have to pay for
it.
Yes.
Wow.
It will be about it or someone says now, but
that is the reason why you have to go for a indicate yourself abubuya and build now we have machines I was the a power.
I was normally a practically.
I apply for that machine. I apply that for be.
Because farmer. I don't know how to use that machine. That near be from me a Himaya on sodo. No, so 1 week about 600 Ghana cedis. As you call so good at second order.
Okay. In your
is it that cosmetic as which minority
this one I'm signal at that time when the ALHASSAN man common so this is a practical discussion we are having into no where what your team name there to be continued into no will advance this discussion now I share for that at least every boy and farmers in summer also one but we are talking to and pleading with our should I use the word wicked market women.
Not so very for African.
No, that is unfair. That is unfair.
You see, I was telling somebody there, say heaven or uncle says that you know heaven. Do you know the reason why?
Some of us.
All of us.
Because I'm mechanical.
All of us. Some also must me. I don't joke with me. I'm so. But motion zama ya na. Ebi apero osisini yanko. And then that mark was one phone call. It is heaven open. You know you go kwasi answer you subana. You know very difficult. I'm telling you. Okay. I'm telling you.
It's discussion. But my mom was there say Oyaza Brentie another Akatesia or Mosna say a prayer bay and some train to my yet a bay journalist about Mosna Nebra Costa TV ha Baji form na she has training I say on the 8th of September a share training I say practical training. You want to offer why we the year journalism over 20-30 years of experience in journalism. Our bomb training na what it's so. We use your partner media houses, radio, TV, newspaper. Baby a player internship piano, a bomb of Aquaquaye or ho, a Penacra, Kumasi, Fosu, Mankesin, Kaswa, a mama Aquaquaye or ho. Until after 6 weeks intensive training, baby I want to say PBA internship. Hey, no, years, sir. Baby a internship no obofo wadwuma na we twa ko bosum biala ntime mfanya akọjo ya Brentie Akatesia bomozna e wadwuma bi mpo yempo a add it as your part-time work because oba fetch you some level of income bomozna ne to anamon news reading news editing camera opere esuadwuma ebe cameraman na ne nyina no ye be chiro edwuma bia bibia aspect bia of journalism ho bia no yaza ye be chire ndi momos na neto anamon na Brakosa TV na baji oye forms no na 8 September e be schedule na ase e we chipo na se e we chira e ba ye mo baby ma ada na ye training no nti wi a ya ye mo baby a e be ye wo internship nti ono menso problem bi anyo ti ezbe si ha in your friend number 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 no TV na nyim no e fra yaza ebaje wodo na ya kire okwana ba fada nsabaka forms no na etum training no ashase ayebi na agentity wo journalism nti yezbesi ha mezenze dani abawana nyame adoma mensaka oye menua Richard Kojo ARHINFUL ono oye Cape Coast North MPP one communication team no one member na mamunua oye honorable BIGMAN enyo ono AYIKOO TANTRI assembly member menua no mabieni na nyumbre over cancer my discussion na oye depa na so yan sha sentanta ma mizin kam kan won fan chen yamu bo ochina ya ba sha pepe na yen na twon komo to another level ya da wona ase bebre yakopon tu na nyim fan che obi a ya kran on bye bye.
Yanara sasani airport in my